Hastinganagino 2019 bisio CAA Nashakang Hakotor Ganagi Korang Disazak Mahakino Tripura Hastebo Juda Motorong Bakshaki Korang Disalebani Fiaba Tabu CAB Bill Pasgi CAA Kerong Raida Nka Tangna Jisha Marshal Mario Bar Hakotor Habang CAA Kerong No Hastinganagi Frangani Shaklebani CAA Kerong Mabagi Tripura Sharok Tripura Hastebo DTTA DCM Sayo Bwswk Kaham Hamya no Bahike Aboni Yakni Katinai Abonoti Tangshal Nichiba Shalmari Fongdam Sisat Amajorabo Bubagrakor Agruni Koktomatri Habanoko Kaisa Seminar Klaisaka Citizenship Amendment Rules 2014 Notification Date 11 March Kokbotmanoti Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni Loajong by Majaka Advocate Mongol Deburma JACCS ni Convener Jiban Deburma UTF ni Kasko Sojal Deburma Majaka DSF ni Kazam President Bisho Deburma DSF ni Kazam GS John Deburma Council of the Prasha Hodani Kasko Dilip Deburma Khobui Kaichiba Mothani Adongrao
Jotono Bwswk Kaham ini ojaga Joint Action Committee of Civil Society ni kaisa seminar chongnani thangli tongo ga tini no seminar chung tini je agenda mkha Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024 je notification khajaka 11 March 2024 ni o abuni tino chung tini Joint Action of Civil Society ni je bibhinno constitution body je ojaga tini Tripura Indigenous Lawyer Association representative advisor plus chinorni Tripura Engineer Society the United Tripura Forum the Tripura Student Federation Pamti Sporting Society the bibhinno dal bidal organization ni borok tinoro tini manjanan khaika kai sintino jaga tabung no chino program sing tabung no channel ni thangi tongo जों अब सर्टनि जों जांनाय जों दिनाव जागा नायलायनाय दिनाव Citizenship Amendment Rules 2024 2016 হইতে ও বিল খাইমানে পরে 2019 ও চিনো বিল পাস সংখ্যা অ্যাক্ট সংখ্যা Citizenship Amendment Act আবন পরে আফটার so many years 2024 পাই দিনো রুলস নোটিফিকেশন খাইজেকা 11 মার্চ 2024 গে जों দিনা আবন তিনে একটা বেসিক্যালি চিনি মেইন যে সেমিনার চিনো ডিসকাশন जों তিনি খালিনাই চিনো তিনি panel speaker tongo bibhinno organization ni je every organization ni je Kokchap representative phai chinor tini chino panel speaker phai mal khajak gai chung abono ko main tini ni je seminar ni agenda abono amrai chokno organization banner mo donation committee o jaga bibhinno organization tongo ang already saka chinor je Tripura Student Federation tongo Tripura Engineer Society tongo Tripura Indigenous Lawyer Association tongo the Pamti Sporting Society United Tripura Forum bibhinno dal bilal organization Council of Tripura Hoda joton representative phai manjak khane chino organization today actually we are going to organize a seminar on behalf of Joint Action Committee we are going to organize a seminar on the topic of Citizenship Amendment Rule 2024 which was notified on 11 March 2024. So basically here all the constitution body of Joint Action Committee of Civil Society had attended today and we'll discuss in this seminar elaborately. So this is the main topic. We are going to organize only the seminar on this particular Citizenship Amendments Rule 2024.
तो ये जो बिल आने वाला है इसको क्या आप लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं जो आए?
No, we'll decide later on after conclusion of this seminar. We'll decide what will be the next step of our society.
अगर ये लागू होता है तो इसका इफेक्ट कितना होगा आपको क्या लगता है?
No, we are all aware that this Citizenship Amendment Act is exempted in the 6th schedule area and tribal area and also in the inland permit where it is already implemented, it is exempted. So, but in non-scheduled area, there is no VAR, so it may affect. So, from the organization, we will decide what will be our next course of action.